Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KX85 motocrosser. This youth motocrosser just arrived in beautiful condition. Two-stroke engine, red sticker, competition bike. It's got an awesome sounding FMF exhaust. Excellent condition. It's got the hand guards. Come on by. Make your KX85 dreams come true with this awesome Kawasaki. Only $43.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.